Do you know that channels using whiteboard animation to explain everyday topics are getting thousands of views, and most of you guys don't even know how to create these videos? Take a look at this channel called Josh Invest. They currently have 42,000 subscribers, and one of their most popular videos has gotten 600,000 views. These videos are very interesting and engaging to watch, and you can start any niche of your choice with whiteboard animation videos. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can start a channel like this, but first, let me show you guys the video that took me less than 15 minutes to create.
What if I told you that two people could invest the exact same amount of money each month, earn the exact same rate of return, and still retire with dramatically different results? One could comfortably build a portfolio worth $1 million. The other might not even reach half that amount. The difference isn't intelligence, it isn't a secret stock, and it certainly isn't luck. The real difference is time. In this video, we'll calculate how much you may need to invest each month to retire with a $1 million portfolio, whether you begin at age 20, 30, 40, or even 50. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final calculation reveals a costly lesson that many people discover far too late. Before we begin calculating, we need to establish three simple assumptions. First, our goal is to build an investment portfolio worth $1 million by age 65.
First, I'm going to show you guys how you can come up with a fresh new video idea, script the video, then generate all our visuals at once so you don't need to do it manually. Also, generate the voiceover and put the video together. So, if you're grab a cup of coffee, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. The first thing you want to do is visit the channel you want to model from. For instance, we are going to be using Josh Invest here, so once you're here, just copy the channel URL. Now, open a new tab and search for Abacus AI. You will get the link in the video description or the pinned comment, so you don't need to worry. It's going to bring you to the homepage of Abacus AI. This is the first thing we need to do. Come down to where you see Auto here, click on it, and make sure you change it to Agent. Once you have that selected, you can also choose your model. For me, I like going with the Max because this is going to allow me to have access to Fable 5 plus GPT 5.6. Okay, now click on the chat bar here and type in something very simple like this. I want to start a whiteboard animation channel just like Josh. Now you need to paste the link you copied from YouTube and click on Enter. Give Abacus AI some time and it's going to do some serious research. The next thing you want to do is click on the chat bar and ask it to generate 20 video ideas using the most popular video on Josh's channel as a reference. In this way, it's going to help the AI understand videos that have the best potential of going viral. Immediately, it's going to give you the list of 20 whiteboard animation video ideas that you can choose from. So just go through them and pick the one that you want to make your first video on. Once you have the idea, the next step is to tell the AI which idea you want to make a video on, and basically instruct it to write you a script. As simple as that, it's going to understand exactly what you want, and it's going to write the script for you in a way that is going to be very engaging. The reason is that it has used your reference channel to study what works and how to write your script so it can be engaging. Alright, so as you can see here, my scripts are ready. The next step now is to create our visuals, and I'm going to show you guys how you can bulk create all your visuals at once without having to do them manually here. First, copy your script. The next thing you want to do is click on the link in the video description. I've added a link to this prompt that I've created for you. All you need to do is come to where you see script and paste your own script there. Once you have your script here, you can now copy the entire prompt just like this. Click on this plus icon here to open a new chat, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. Immediately, it's going to give you your whiteboard animation storyboard. Just to organize everything, scroll down and type "Give me only the whiteboard animation prompt" so we can generate the visuals first. Alright, so once it's done generating, just highlight it and copy it just like this. To generate your visuals, click on Image Video here. It's going to bring you to the Abacus AI Studio, and this is where we're going to be generating all our visuals in bulk. You don't need to do it manually, okay? So the first thing you need to do is paste that prompt you just copied from the Abacus AI agent here. Alright, so immediately you do that, just come down to where you see image here, click on it and change it to video because we want to be generating our videos straight up, okay? So now the next thing, click on auto here and choose your preferred AI video generator model. For me, I'm going to be going with Seedance 2.0 but you have VO3, you have Kling, Grok, and so on and so forth. So choose the one that best fits your preference, okay? So, the next thing we want to do is choose the duration. For me, I'm going to be going with 8 seconds for explanation purposes, but you can even choose as 15 seconds for a single video. Alright? Click on aspect ratio and make sure you select 16:9. Alright then, for the resolution, you can go with 720p if you have enough credit, but if you're managing your credit, go with 480p. So once you're done with that, you can click on the generate button here to start generating all your visuals at once. My visuals are done generating. It took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to generate 12 scenes for me. Alright, so this is the exact step you need to follow. Generate all of them at once. And once you're done with that, just click on this button here to download them to your device. Alright, so now we have our visuals. The next thing we need to do now is to generate our voiceover. Go back to the chat where you generated your animation prompt and ask it to write the voiceover in a professional way for you. Alright, so this is the voiceover. What you just need to do is copy it and go back to Abacus Studio. Paste your voiceover in the description here, and before you do anything, come back to where you see image. Click on it, and now we're going to be selecting speech, so we can create our voiceover. So come to Auto here, and make sure you change it to text to speech. Now, you can choose any AI voice provider of your choice. For me, I'm going to be going with 11 Labs, but you can use Minimax if you want. Next, click on Flash here, and make sure you change it to 11 Labs V3. Now click on the Generate button here, give it some time, and it's going to generate your voiceover for you. You can listen to it if you're okay with it.
What if I told you that 2 people could invest the exact same amount of money each month, earn the exact same rate of return, and still retire with completely different outcomes?
What you just need to do is click on these 3 dots you see here and download the voiceover. We've used Abacus AI for ideation and scripting, then we generated all our visuals at once, and also the voiceover. So now we need to put the video together. Open CapCut. You can use any editing software of your choice. Click on Import, drag in the voiceover, and all the visuals we created in Abacus AI. The first thing you want to do is click on the voiceover and add it into the timeline. Then, what you need to do now is to add the clips one after the other, and make sure you arrange them according to the voiceover so it makes sense, just like this. Once you're done with that, you can decide to add transition effects and captions if you want. But for me, I'm going to be leaving my video like this because it's perfect as it is. To export your video, click on Export at the top here and save it to your device. So the step I just showed you is the exact step you can use to create whiteboard animation with AI. So, if you want to speed your video creation workflow, you can use Abacus AI. The link is going to be in the video description below. For just $10 a month, you get access to the whole Abacus AI toolbox, plus 100 top AI models like Fable 5. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.